up, Sonny? Good morning. How are you? I gotta go get my my rental car. The Acura's gonna go get fixed. I'll see you in a little bit, okay? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It has been a pretty long time since I picked up the camera and decided to vlog a little bit here. Today, I'm gonna be dropping off my Acura to finally get its rear bumper fixed. Man, it's been quite the daily driver. 10 out of 10 recommend. But you can see, needs a little love back here. Somebody rear-ended me on the way to work one time, so I got the trunk a little bit too. This is actually about a few months ago. It's just taken forever to get the parts in because I got to replace the bumper, the trunk, the spoiler, whatever else is really necessary for this whole thing, and repaint it and stuff. So that is what I'm about to do. Did I unlock it? Psych. There we go. But yeah. Oh. Otherwise, this thing's been very smooth, zero problems, just as expected. Boom. So I'm not sure what the rental car will be, and I'm assuming this should take only about a week or two, which is why I bring this up, because once I get this bad boy back, I'm gonna have to swap it for the Z-Man. I'm gonna go back to my grandma's garage, and we're gonna go ahead and take out the nice one, because I miss the manual, man, and I miss all the good noises. And you know, this one's been nice because it's nice and quiet and comfortable to just drive all day, but I like having fun, you guys. Don't hit her car. All right, we're good, we're good. All right, so it's actually just down the street, so we won't be long at all. I figured you guys might want to know what actually happened. Basically, like I said, I was just driving to work, and I was stopped at a red light, and like 5-10 seconds go by, and some old man in a truck just, boom, just hits me, dude. I moved up like a couple of feet. It wasn't terrible. Maybe like 15, 20 miles an hour tops or something like that. But yeah, I mean, he rear-ended me, and I called the cops after I got out of the car because like this guy wasn't really responding. He was like sitting there like shaking and stuff. I felt kind of bad. I felt something was wrong. So I called the cops. They told me to get out of the lane I was in because we're just sitting there in the middle of traffic, really. So I was like, okay. So I start to pull off, and then he hits me again when I pulled off, and then technically he ran, but like I said, I don't think he was running because I don't really think he knew what was going on. And eventually they got him. And I come to find out that the gentleman had like very, very low blood sugar, so it must have felt like he was like tripping balls or something, because yeah, the buddy never got a word out of his mouth talking to me. But yeah, today is the day. We're gonna fix her up. I've had this car for a good amount of time, pretty much since I made the video last, I believe, when I talked about getting the daily, or at least I posted on Instagram. And the car's been broken pretty much the whole time ever since, so it's gonna be nice to get it back nice and clean. Just pulled up to Calamine Collision Center. They're the ones who are gonna take care of me. Matter of fact, we got a spot right in the front here. Perfect, perfect. I wonder which daily is gonna be mine. Give me a Tesla. They specialize in Teslas here, but I don't think Enterprise is gonna give me one of them. All right, so we just pulled up, and like I said, you can see they clearly like to work on Teslas here. Got lots of Teslas. Sick RS7. Holy, hold on. Let's get a little walk around of that. Did not expect to see this thing here. What's wrong with you? Or are you a customer car? You look fine right now. Oh, need a little bit of love up here. But damn. Gotta love it, dude. These wheels and tires look great. All right, it's official. I just dropped it off. It's not mine anymore for probably another week or two. The only things that aren't gonna be fixed now is gonna be this tiny little rust spot. And then there's a little down here. And I don't know, I would like to fix it. Maybe someday I will. Maybe I could just get the A-spec lip. Maybe I wrap over it, maybe both. At one point I would love to give this to Nikki though, so that she could drive it, in which case if I even do put a lip on there or fix that, she's probably gonna scrape it anyways, you know how it'd be. But other than that, it's pretty much just a side molding here that's got this little, I mean, it looks fine, you could barely tell. You have to kind of come really close to it to notice, but it's like poking out a little bit. But other than that, she's gonna be brand new trunk, brand new bumper. Working on the spoiler. Hopefully they get that in while I'm here, otherwise I gotta bring it back. But this is the last little walk around of the Type S, man. Wait do you guys see what we got now. I'm super excited about this one, dude. They really hooked me up this time. I had no idea they were gonna bring this, but I got a BMW X2 M, not M. What am I saying? I think it's just an X2, but it's all-wheel drive. What is this thing right here? Thank you. X2, that's all it is. Cool. I don't know nothing about BMWs, as you guys know. I'm a Z guy, Nissan guy. But where do you guys see the inside of this thing? All right, I left the keys in here. But yeah, check this out. Boom. Bro, this thing, push the start real quick. It's beautiful, dude. It's got heated steering wheel, bro. You just press this button. This thing is so warm. Where have you been my whole life? I need a heated steering wheel. All right, I'm gonna get this thing out of here. I think you go like this and go to drive. Hey, I figured it out, dude. Just like Michael's Supra, man. Oh, the wheel's a little cranked there. Oh, shit. Oh my God, this all-wheel drive grip is something different, man. All right, all right, all right. Can I get out of here? Yes, I can. Go, all-wheel drive. Dude, no slip, all grip. Let's go. Woo! Okay, it's just a 328i. It got nothing crazy, but it just feels pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this thing's got the auto stop. That felt really, really weird when I was on the brakes and then hit the gas. Dude, that's so weird. Watch, it's off. It's off, right? And then I hit the gas and boom, she's back alive. Let me go. Anyways, my brother got a full titanium Boost Logic exhaust and a stainless steel downpipe from Boost Logic. But he's got a nice intake. I don't remember the brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's like ARP or APR or whatever. Got an intake and charge pipe for it. So he's pretty much fully bolted up and ready to go. He just he sent his ECU out to Texas now to get it tuned, or at least unlocked so he can tune it. Wow, these brakes are very sensitive, dude. So yeah, you guys are gonna get a lot more video footage of that coming. I'll drop a couple of those clips right here. Well, we got another upgrade on the channel here. Michael just got his full cat pack installed, Boost Logic. It's full straight pipe actually, and the downpipe, fully catless. And he just told me he got his cold air intake and charge pipe. This thing's gonna sound pretty nuts. There we go. That's what it looks like. That's crazy. Look at all that. It's already turned blue up here. Oh wow, you can actually see pretty far up there. That's crazy. Out the back. That's nuts. Holy cow. That's nuts, dude. Holy cow. That sounds so good.
Oh my God.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh, Michael. That's crazy, dude. Yep. It's freaking fast. Yeah, anyways, that thing's pretty freaking loud. If you guys couldn't already notice. So when I pick up my Z again, we're gonna get, first of all, I can't wait to make an exhaust video on my Z because I don't think anyone has a setup like mine. Okay, it's just nervous parking really close like this, but we're good, we're good. Let's go and crank the wheel down the hill. Put it in park. Neutral, no. Park, no, that's reverse. How do you do this? Park? Yeah, you just gotta press P. All right, BMW problems. I don't know where the e-brake is, so I'm gonna let it park on its trans. Not my car anyways, right? So boom. And even in my Acura, we popped the e-brake or the Z. That's what you're supposed to do if you didn't know. But yeah. All right, everybody, we are back. The Acura is all in one piece. It looks beautiful. You can see in the back, they actually did a whole new bumper, whole new trunk. They were able to save my spoiler, which is nice. I even got all new badging across, which is sweet. But yeah, now she's all pretty and good to go. Even a fresh oil change just to go park in the garage, because we're gonna swap this guy for the Z. So this will be a lot nicer of a view soon, and we're gonna be able to enjoy this weekend of the nice 70-80 degree weather we're gonna get in the Z once it's all fresh and ready to go. I'm super excited. Got the jumper cables in the back, right back there. So yeah, we're just gonna drive up there and take care of it. All right, there we go. Yo, that was the process. That was pretty easy though. My battery's over there though, so I'll just move the Acura a little closer.
Oh, you need this.
It's right here. It's right there. Yeah. And then there. Nice. Cool. Time to give her a jump, dude. She better start. All right. Now we just gotta start them up. Got the connections all set. She should start, dude. I mean, like the electric doors are working. The dash is all lit up. Everything else lights up. Where's my keys? Where'd I put them on the seat? Yeah. All right. All right. Wish me luck, boys. All right, here we go. Foot on the clutch. Oh. It won't turn over yet. I'll give it a second. All right, let's give it a try again. It's been like another 2 minutes. No, not yet. I don't know. You wanna try it again? Damn. Well, it doesn't start after all that. So I don't know what's going on because like all the lights work, even the headlights. Maybe I need a new ignition or starter or something like that, which I don't know. I started a lot over the winter. My fault for not keeping a trickle charger on it and stuff, but we'll get it taken care of eventually. All right, since the Z don't start, improvise, adapt, overcome. We'll take the Supra for a ride. Dude, I'm not even touching the gas, it just does that, it's crazy.
Stay close to the middle.
Yeah. It's getting a little warmer now. I'll give it a rip soon.
Let off the gas. Let off the gas so we
Oh, okay. No problem. I could've. Not my car though. Oh my god. No more pops. I'm the one driving. Keep it in manual so I can control it. There we go. Yeah, it pulls, dude. It was trying to get traction in second, and it did good, even with traction on. Don't worry, we're gonna get, I don't think you can see it in the video, but we're gonna get that crack fixed. They're actually coming tomorrow, I think he said, so. This thing's fun, man. Thank you everyone today for watching the video. I appreciate you all, as always. Feel free to follow all my social medias in the description below. I got Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. I'm gonna be updating my $100 Bitcoin giveaway pretty soon on those platforms, so you definitely wanna stay tuned for that. I also took the Z out. Finally, it got running successfully to a car meet just a couple days ago, actually, so you're gonna get that video in a few days here. But hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video.